Hi, I'm Rafe from Lick, and today we're going to be showing you how to fit your roller blinds. So to install your blinds, the tools you need are a drill and appropriate drill bit for the surface that you're drilling into. Today we're drilling into brick, so we have a masonry drill bit and then a wall plug like this, which will go into brick, and then the screw for that as well. If you're drilling into wood, you'll need a wood drill bit or an HSS drill bit to drill the pilot hole, and then you can screw straight into the wood. We also have a tape measure, a spirit level, and a pencil to make sure that everything's level and in the right place before we drill in. So these are the brackets for your blind. The one with the circle in the middle is the idle end, and the one with the cross is the control end. We're going to mount the control end bracket on the side of the blind where you want your cord to be. So we're going to go and measure up on the wall and figure out where they're going to go. So we're going to put our idle end bracket up first, and because of the way this window is set out, we have a break in the wall here, so this is as far out as we can mount it. If your window is on a flat wall, then obviously you need to center the brackets on the window before you start drilling. So we're just going to mark up our idle end bracket. So we're placing it against the window frame here to make sure it's level, marking around the edge of the bracket, and then also marking the holes that we're going to drill into. And then from there, we're going to measure the width of the blind, which in this case is 770 millimeters. And we're going to measure that from the outer edge of the bracket, which is to there. We're just going to put a mark on the wall. Now we're just going to make sure that we have a level line across from the first one. Mark it out like that. There we go. And then the same thing as on the idle end, mark out the oblong holes to be drilled. So we're going to drill our holes now. So we just line up on the hole. So now that we've drilled our holes, we're going to put in some wall plugs, which we can then screw into. So we're just going to push these plugs into the wall. We were quite lucky with these ones, they're going straight in. Sometimes you might need a hammer just to encourage them that last bit of the way. So the bracket should sit pretty much perfectly over the holes if you've marked it up properly. And exactly the same thing for the control end bracket. So we've done all the hard bits now. We're now moments away from having our beautiful Lick blinds up in our house. On the control end of the blinds here, you see a little hook. We're going to put this into the control end bracket. So it slides in nice and easy, and then if you just give it a little push down, you'll feel it click down into place. So on our idle end, there's a button which is on a spring. If you push that in, you can slide the blind into the bracket and it clicks into place. And that's it, you're done. So with your Lick blinds, you always get a little safety clip like this for the cord. If it's hanging down particularly low, or you have young children, you might want to think about using it. You just slide the cord through into the clip like that, and then you can screw that clip into the wall or into your window frame, whichever you prefer. So thank you so much for joining us, guys. We really hope you've enjoyed this video, and hopefully this has given you guys the confidence to install your Lick blinds. Super easy process, enjoy them, and thank you very much.